As a buyer or seller on eBay, knowing how many watchers a product has can give you insights and information about that product. If you're a buyer, knowing which items have a lot of watchers might help you spot a good item or a good deal. To view the number of watchers from your computer as a buyer, go to the eBay website, then log into your account. Next, navigate to the item you want using the category options or by typing the product's name on the search bar. Once you see the item, click on it to view more information about the product. From there, you'll be able to see how many watchers the item has under the price of the product. Take note that if it doesn't have any, it won't be indicated as 0 watchers. Instead, you simply won't see any watcher indication, and only the price of the product will be displayed. Now, if you're a seller, knowing how many watchers you have can give you a bit of an insight on how to translate those views into sales. To view watchers from your computer, access the eBay website from your browser and log into your account. Next, click on Selling, and from your eBay overview, you'll be able to see all the activities you have on your products. You'll see a summary of all the details your active listings have, like the number of bidders and watchers. You can also check the number of watchers from the eBay application on your iOS or Android phone. Once you're logged into your account, tap the 3 horizontal lines from the top left menu. Scroll down, then tap Selling from the menu. Just like on the website, you'll be able to see the details of every active listing you have, including the number of watchers and bidders. Thanks for watching, and make sure to click like and subscribe to watch more guides about all sorts of technology. Also, check out these other videos that we think you'll find helpful.